Hello and what's up guys, it's been a long time since a cooking video and here we are back with another one of these, and today we are making cinnamon rolls or cinnamon buns, however you want to call them. In Finnish, the traditional Korvapuusti. Okay, so here we have our ingredients. All-purpose flour, milk, sugar, eggs, some butter, fresh yeast, cardamom, and a mixture of sugar and cinnamon. So first of all, measure 200 grams of butter and microwave until it melts. And in the meantime, measure yourself half a liter of milk. And to activate the yeasts properly, it needs some temperature, so heat up your milk. Now we're gonna activate the yeast. Okay, now measure 200 grams of sugar and pour it in there. Then crack in there either 2 small eggs or 1 big egg and whisk them in there. And the cardamom in there. Now 12 deciliters of flour. Add accordingly so that the texture is right. And now add the melted butter. Alright, so this is what it should look like pretty much. And if you want to test it, put your finger there, stick it like that, and if there's nothing stick to it, then it's good. Now into the oven on about 40 degrees. For the next part, gather these ingredients and utensils as you will need them. And also margarine or butter. So here we are after 1 hour and the yeast has worked a bit too well, even I would say. So let's take it out. Look at that. And there's more. Wow. Now melt some butter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your cinnamon buns. I hope they turned out good. And please leave a like if you did enjoy them. I'm pretty sure you will. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.